Okay guys, so this is the Marrow edition 8 notes that I've got recently. I had ordered it 5 days back and I got it today. So let's unbox it. Heavy, 19 kg, what it mentioned. Okay, inside we have another box. Oh nice. I did mention here. It says Marrow notes, and just open this up. Packaging is actually very good. Okay, so I removed all the mess. Close up. So packaging is actually really good. Pull me up, it says. Okay, very nice. One more. Okay, so I see 1, 2, 5 bundles. Some cardboard and some more. Okay, there's something inside here. We'll see that later. So 3 books packages. Okay, so it's basically first year, second year, third year, and these are the fourth year books. So we get all the subjects: anatomy, physio, bio, and second year subjects pharmac, patho, micro. Third year subjects ENT, community medicine, forensic and optal, and the fourth year subjects, which is OBG, surgery, general medicine. And we have some extra books too: anesthesia, radiology, psychiatry, which is included in the fourth year. That's the thing. The pack can actually remove this. Yeah, you can see that better. Okay, so moving on. This is another thing we got. Let's try to unbox this. Just get messages. Oh, we can just. Okay, so we got some sticky notes, few more, 2 wax highlighters. That's about it, guys. Nothing else. I found another cover over here, which is been taped. Where's my scissors? I just think it's a letter. So it says, you can just pause the video and read that. Okay, then one more. I think these are bookmarks, if I'm. Oh, it's stickers. It's actually high quality 3M stickers. So yeah, there are bookmarks. Okay. Oh. Okay. There are a lot of bookmarks. Nice. The design is actually very nice, and with Marrow written behind. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So actually I forgot to tell, but I got the plan D for 2 years, 2 months. And plan D also includes the notes and the videos, question banks, test series. All the 4 is included. So if you get the plan C, you have to pay an extra, I think around 10k, that's what they were telling. So if you pay another 10k, you can get this same package. I thought it would just be nice if I get the plan D, because 2 years is more than sufficient for me.